Hi guys, Going Fire here. It's me with my new Origami Mr. Puppet designed by Riki Saito. So I promise I'll show you guys this next after I did a demo of this Origami Frog Prince by Riki Saito, which is very adorable. If you haven't checked the demo of it, be sure to check it out. But now, here's a demo of the Origami Mr. Puppet. It is based off of the Elmo from Sesame Street. Yeah. I also like how the head is like this rectangle box kind of form. So it's interesting, but that's not the point of the model. And yeah, it's like Elmo. See, here's the nose, and then these will be the eyes, mouth, and obviously the rest is the head, arms, and here's the legs. And most of all, the model can even stand. Oh, isn't that cool? Yeah, it is pretty awesome. So, yeah, I'm going to rotate around, actually this way because I don't have a good background on the other side. See, there it is. So yeah, there it is, my Origami Mr. Puppet, designed by Riki Saito. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.